Do you love Fiverr and want to earn money by promoting it? Look no further than their affiliate program. In this quick video, we'll show you how to turn Fiverr into a cash machine, all in under a minute. Step 1. Join the free program. First things first, head to Fiverr's website and find their affiliate program page. Signing up is totally free, and you'll get a unique tracking link to promote Fiverr's services. Step 2. Promote Fiverr's services. This is where you get creative. Share your affiliate link on social media, websites, or even in blog posts. Target people who might need Fiverr services, like entrepreneurs, businesses, or anyone looking for freelance work. Step 3. Earn commissions on sales. Here's the exciting part. Every time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase on Fiverr, you earn a commission. Fiverr offers competitive commission rates, so the more sales you generate, the more you earn. Step 4. Choose your promotion methods. There are many ways to promote Fiverr. Reviews, tutorials, or case studies highlighting Fiverr's success stories can be effective. You can even create targeted ads, if you know how, to reach a wider audience. Step 5. Track and analyze for growth. Fiverr's affiliate program dashboard lets you track clicks, sales, and your earnings. Use this data to see what's working and what's not. This helps you refine your promotion strategy for even better results. There you have it, a simple guide to earning money with Fiverr's affiliate program. Remember, consistent promotion and creative content are key. Start spreading the Fiverr word and watch those commissions roll in. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching.